Upgrade your home lighting with the Leviton D315S Smart Switch. With smart app control, custom schedules, Matter compatibility, and hands-free voice control, it makes managing your lights simple and convenient. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Leviton D315S Smart Switch, a screwless wall plate, mounting screws, wire connectors for installation, and a user manual to guide you through the setup process. Installation. Installation tools needed. Turn off the circuit breaker and verify the power is off with a voltage tester. Remove the existing switch and identify the line, load, neutral, and ground wires. Connect the wire leads to the matching house wires using the supplied wire connectors. For single-pole installations, cap the unused traveler wire. For three-way installations, follow the compatible companion switch wiring diagram. Restore power briefly and check that the status LED indicates the switch is ready. Turn the power off again before completing the installation. Carefully tuck the wires into the electrical box, secure the switch with the mounting screws, attach the screwless wall plate, restore power, and complete setup using the My Leviton app or a Matter-compatible smart home platform. How to pair. Download the My Leviton app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app, then sign into your Leviton account or create a new one if you're setting it up for the first time. Make sure the switch is powered on. If it's not already in setup mode, press and hold the top rocker for about 7 seconds until the status LED flashes green, indicating the switch is ready to pair. Tap Add Device, choose the D315S Smart Switch, and follow the on-screen instructions. Connect the switch to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and keep your phone close to the switch until the pairing process is complete. After the switch connects successfully, assign it to a room, give it a custom name, and install any available firmware updates. You can now control your lights from the My Leviton app or link the switch to a Matter-compatible smart home platform for voice control and home automations. Compatible platforms. Matter, Amazon Alexa, Google Home, Apple Home, Samsung SmartThings, Smart features. Control your lights from anywhere using the My Leviton app. Turn lights on or off, check their current status, create schedules and automations, and manage multiple Leviton devices from your smartphone, whether you're at home or away. Create personalized schedules and timers to automatically turn your lights on or off based on your daily routine. Set lighting scenes for different activities, automate lights at sunrise or sunset, and help reduce unnecessary energy usage. Control the same light from multiple switch locations by pairing the D315S with a compatible Leviton wired companion switch or Leviton Anywhere companion switch. It's ideal for hallways, staircases, large rooms, and other areas where convenient multi-point lighting control is needed. Control your lights hands-free using simple voice commands through Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, or Apple Siri. Once connected to your preferred smart home platform, you can turn lights on or off, activate routines, and enjoy convenient voice-controlled lighting throughout your home. Specifications. Frequently asked questions. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos. See you in the next one.